Suppose a customer has spare conductors they want to use for power, and they have 3 pairs of 22 gauge and 2 pairs of 24 gauge, and they want to twist them all together, and you want to know the equivalent resistance. You can figure that out by pressing L and then selecting E to evaluate twisting multiple pairs of wire together. Enter. And we'll start with the 24 gauge. We'll just choose 1,000 feet as our default distance. Again, it doesn't make any difference as far as the equivalency. It just calculates the total resistance for whatever length you enter. And we're going to add another pair of 24 gauge, so I'll press 2. Now I have 2 pairs of 24 gauge wire. I need to add to this 3 pairs of 22 gauge wire. So I'll press 4 to add a pair of another gauge wire. I'll add a pair of 22 gauge. Okay, now I have 3 pairs. 2 of them are 24, 1 is 22. I could press 7 to review entries to take a look at that. Let's press 7. Sure enough, pair 1 is 24 gauge, pair 2 is 24 gauge, and pair 3 is 22 gauge. Now I need to add 2 more pairs of 22. I'll just press 3 to add n pairs of 22 gauge wire. It's going to ask me how many pairs I want to add. I'll press 2, enter. Okay. Now I have 5 pairs of wire twisted together. It's equal to 16 gauge or better. I can press 7 to review entries, and sure enough, there they are, 5 pairs, 2 of which are 24, 3 of which are 22. Press enter, and that's equivalent to 16 gauge wire. I press 1 to end and Z to exit.